Welcome. In today's video, we're walking through how to forward sent documents on WhatsApp web right from your PC using the brand new update. If you often send or receive documents on WhatsApp, this feature will save you plenty of time and clicks. So let's jump straight in. First, open WhatsApp web on your computer. You can do this by visiting the official WhatsApp web page and connecting it to your phone using the QR code. Once you're in, you'll notice some fresh icons on the left-hand side of the screen. That's where the new media center lives. Next, click on the media icon located on the left side menu. This is where all your shared media, links, and documents are organized. From here, select Docs to view every document you've sent or received on your account. Now, at the top of the Documents window, you'll see a small sort icon. Click it and then choose You. This option filters out all the documents that you've personally sent, making it much easier to find exactly what you're looking for. After that, look for the select icon at the top right of the screen. It looks like a small checkbox. Click on it to enable selection mode. Then, select each document you'd like to forward. You can pick one, a few, or even all of them. It's entirely up to you. Once you've marked the documents, click on the forward icon that appears at the top. A contacts list will pop up, allowing you to choose who you want to send the files to. Pick your recipients from the list, review your selection, and then hit send. And that's it. You've successfully forwarded your sent documents on WhatsApp web using the latest update. This quick method is perfect for office work, school projects, or sharing files with multiple people at once. Thanks for watching.